Hi, in this video, we are going to learn how to add running total to our Power BI table or any other visual. So I'll just bring one table from the visualization pane here, and here I'm going to add subcategories. So let me search subcategory and add to my table. So here all these categories are shown, and I want to see the cells. So let me add this cells over there. So you can see here subcategory wise sales is there. Now I want one more column here that has to be a running total. Running total means what? So it is a, as the categories are moving from top to bottom, it should sum up all of their sales. So for example, against accessories, it should show me 167,000, and against the appliances, it should show me the total of 167,000 plus 107,000, and so on. It should add all these values, and at the last against this table it should show me the value of 22 lakhs 97,200. So how we can do it? So again, let me drag this cells once again into my table. So here it's a no, again the same column it has generated, but now here I can go with this little drop down, and here there is an option, new quick measure. Let me click on this. It will open this quick measure window, and from here I can select running total. So if I scroll it down, here you can see running total is there. If I click on this, it has automatically taken the value. So we want to have sum of sales by subcategory, and we would like to find out the running total. I'll simply click on the add. It will create a DAX measure for us. So here you can see it has created the DAX measure. We don't need to type it. It will automatically done by the Power BI. Now I can close this quick measure window, and here you can see in the table this running total with respect to sales is given. So now I don't need the second column like the another this one sum of sales. So I'll just remove it, and now you can see this table. So accessories 167,000, 167,000, but here against the appliances, it's a total of accessories plus appliances. Against the art, it is total of accessories, appliances, and art. So likewise, we can create running total in Power BI. It's super easy because of the quick measure, because these are all quick measures defined by the Power BI. So we can quickly select the field and we can calculate the desired measure. I hope this will be useful. Thank you. Thank you so much.